In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off comments on a post on Facebook. First, you want to launch open the Facebook app. Now tap on the three lines menu at the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on your username. You can also tap on your profile picture and this should open up your profile. Once you're on your profile, scroll down and find the post where you want to turn off the comments. Now you will find the three dots, tap on that, a menu will pop up. Now from this list, you want to look for the option that says who can comment on your post and tap on it. Now you will see different settings for who can comment. To effectively turn off comments, you want to select the option profiles and pages you mention. This means only people you mention in the post can comment. And if you don't mention anyone, comments are basically turned off. After selecting it, tap on done. And that's it. Comments on your post are now restricted. Just keep in mind that Facebook doesn't have a direct turn off comments button, but this is the closest way to do it. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.